Hello everyone, this is Ms. Smith. I'm here today to walk you through a how-to for making our Google Classroom website your homepage. This is not a requirement, however, I do recommend it. I think it might be a good go-to place for students each day when they log in to go to this site, and then they can access everything else in our virtual classroom. Today I am going to be using Google Chrome. If you have a different web browser or if you're using a different version of Chrome, it might look slightly different. You can see the first thing that I have done is brought up my browser, Google Chrome. The second step is to type in the classroom website, and you can see that I've got it at the top here. I'll give you just a second to get that typed in. Always remember too that on any of these videos that I do, you can pause them if you need more time to get something in. So after you have it typed in, you will go to that site. The first time you go to this site, it will require you to sign in using your Google account. I would sign in using the student Google login information, their email, their password. So you will have to type it in, log in, next, then your password, next. And you can see once you've done that it brings up our classroom website. At the top, I have some introductory information. Then below my picture, I have some blue blobs. I will be adding more blue blobs. The blue blobs will be some how-to videos for how to do some different things in order to get us started with our virtual learning. At the bottom, I have a series of black blobs. Each one of these is specifically connected to some information that we will either be using or a specific Google Classroom. And then at the very bottom of our website, I have my email address. So again, just a good spot to go to, one spot so that students can access everything else that they need. The website will consistently be changing as I add more information, so that will be a good place to go to get us all started. To actually make this our homepage, you will need to go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. Click on that, click on settings, and then if you scroll down, there will be a section entitled Appearance. You will click on this dot and you will paste the website into that area, or you can type it in. And then you will scroll down just a little bit further, and under the On Startup section, you will click on the Open a Specific Page or Set of Pages. Mine happens to already be in here. If you have one already in there, you can either remove it or you can edit it. Once you've done that, you should be able to close everything out. And if it's successful, once I go back to my browser, it will bring up my homepage, and you can see that it did do that. So again, just an easy way to for students to daily access our virtual learning, which is going to be very important. Thank you.